So today we are going to talk about how to operate this online quiz platform. So once you see this page, scroll down your mouse. There's a Start Quiz button. Okay, on top of the button, there's a title that specifies what kind of test or quiz you're taking. So for this demo, we'll use HKSI Paper 1 Topic 1. And once we are on this page, we can press the Start Quiz button. Just click on it. And then you will see a table with a lot of digits. These digits basically, each of them represent one question. So if I press on 1, it shows one question. If I press on 2, it shows another question. Press on 3, etc., etc. Okay, so this table is basically a summary of all the questions we have. So right here we can see the button Quiz Summary. It shows all the questions we have within a single quiz. Okay, so let's start with question 1. Okay, in here we have a lot of buttons and options here. Okay, let me just scroll down a little bit and we can see it a little bit better. So in here you can see question. So basically the existence of financial markets in Hong Kong can satisfy which of the following demands. This is the question part, and then we have 4 options here. These we have to pick one out of the 4 options as our answer. So let's say, for example, we click the first option, which is A, and then how do we know whether it's the correct answer or not? We press the check button here and it shows you, oh, A is not the correct answer because it's in color red. Color green is the correct answer, so it's 1, 3, and 4. So it's option B. And then for each question, we have a result message or explanation. You can put it that way. That is at the bottom of each options at the very end. So once you click on options and you press check, the message will be displayed and you will see the explanation for the corresponding questions. Let's go to question 2. Oh, there's another new question, but in this case we're not very sure about which answer that is. There's always a hint we can use. There's the hint button. When you click on it, it will show you where this question is referencing from, and in this case it's 1.1.1, which means topic 1, section 1.1. okay, and if I'm really not sure about this topic but I would still want to go forward, try to take question 3 and 4, all I can do is just press review questions, and as you can see, the color code on this table turned yellow, so that means we put a check mark there to remind us later on to go back to this question, and we can click question 3 to go forward. So this is basically how the quiz works, and let's suppose we're all done with the quiz and go to the last question, and then if we click quiz summary, there's a finish quiz button we can press to finish the quiz. So once we click here, there's a table signaling or telling me how many points I get out of the exam, and out of 220, unfortunately I score 0 correct answer since this is only a demo. Okay, so this is basically how the quiz works. If you want to take the quiz again, you can press restart quiz, and if I want to see an overall summary of how well I did, I just press few questions and it will show you every correct answer in the quiz. Okay, so hang on and good luck. Thank you. Bye bye.